Hi everyone, in this video we are going to fix the paper jam issue on Epson EcoTank L3270. Sometimes the paper is jammed so that most part of the paper sheet is sticking out of the paper tray. In this case you need just grab the paper sheet and slowly pull it out of the printer, then restart the device and your problem is solved. But now, as you can see, everything is blinking on the printer's control panel. It means there is a heavy paper jam inside. In this case, you need to open the front lid and put up the scanning unit until it locks into place. And you can see the situation is really hard because the paper is under the printing head. But don't worry, you don't have to take the wall printer apart to fix this. You need just slightly put up the printing head, just push the finger upwards, and you need to find the place where you can grab your sheet of paper. So if it sticks out from here, you need to pull it from here. If it sticks out from the rear tray, put from the rear tray. So push the print head up and very slow, very slow, try to remove the sheet of paper from the printer. Like this. So this is our patient. If any pieces of torn paper left inside, use tweezers to remove them, and then slightly push up the cover of the printer, close it completely like this, so it should be aligned, and close the front panel. As you can see, all indicators are still blinking, so what you need is unplug your printer. Just wait for about 5 seconds and plug it in back again. Next, press the power button and wait until the printer stops making any sound inside. So now it's trying to align the print head, I think. And if you still see this indicator, repeat your action, just power off the printer and power it on back again. Well, now it seems everything's fine and you can continue using your printer because the power indicator is glowing solid. These warning indicators are off, so printer is disconnected from Wi-Fi so far, but finally it has found the connection way. So that's it, the problem solved. To avoid paper jams, do not use wrinkled or torn or damp paper in your printer, and do not overload the paper tray. You can use up to 100 pages in the rear tray of your printer. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. If yes, consider to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button. Any questions, comment below, and be awesome. Bye, guys.